Dear Sherry, what is the best thing to use for cannabis cooking, butter or oil? And if it's oil, what is the best kind of oil to use? I get this question all the time. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So what is the best thing to use for cannabis cooking, butter or oil, or what kind of oil? Well, all of them will work. Cannabis metabolizes best with fats, and what type of fat really is not all that important. So I'm a foodie. I say use whatever whatever oil or butter works best for your recipes. For instance, if you're going to make chocolate chip cookies, you're probably not going to make those with olive oil. You're going to use butter. But if you're going to make a salad dressing, you're not going to use butter. You're going to need some sort of oil. So I say use whatever works best for whatever you're planning to make or whatever meets your dietary needs or restrictions, if you have any. For instance, if you're a vegan, you're not going to use butter. But fats of all kinds work well with cannabis, and whatever kind you want to use is fine. That said, coconut oil has the longest shelf life, so if you're not going to use it right away, know that coconut oil has a longer shelf life, more than most other oils before it turns rancid. But I like to store all my infusions, butters and oils, in the freezer to extend their shelf lives anyway, so it's not really a big consideration. So what's best? It depends on what you intend to make with it, but butter, oil, all kinds of edible oils will work just fine for making cannabis infusions. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.